This is Brelly Co-Pilot. When you open a new thread, you can either begin typing in the chat box here, or you can select one of the suggested actions up here. These actions are also known as Brelly Flows, which you can find right underneath the chat box. To the right of the flows, you can pick your profile: public adjuster, contractor, policyholder, or attorney. This is how we can keep you UPPA compliant. Some contractors like to use the public adjuster profile just to see how they may think, but it's always important to understand which profile you're in as you're working on the claim. Next to the profiles are the integrations. I already have Gmail integrated, so I can turn it on or off right here. So let's show you a flow in action. Let's say I want a claim summary report. You can select it right here, add any additional instructions, and then run task. And as Brelly is running that task, you can also open a new thread. You can do so by clicking new thread at the top. If you want to access a previous thread, you can just click on it and it'll open. And now the claim summary report is done and you can see all of it right here. You can download to CSV by clicking Export CSV. At the bottom right-hand side of the response, you'll see buttons to copy plain text, copy markdown, give a thumbs down or thumbs up to give feedback on the responses you're getting from Brelly. If you prefer to speak to Brelly, you can do so using the little microphone icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the chat. Hey Brelly, this is great. Can you wrap this up and send an email with all of this to the policyholder? And now Brelly's going through the entire claim summary, writing it all up in an email so that I can update the policyholder. To review the email, all you have to do is click on it. And now you can see who it's going to, the subject line. You can read the entire email and make any edits if necessary. And to send the email, just click on Send Email. And that's how to use Brelly Co-Pilot.